industry which delivers across 200 trucks. So there they are facing lot of issues like fuel theft and misuse and harsh behavior of the driver, like they may use sudden brakes, etc. All these things cannot be monitored properly, and other factors like the proper delivery of the products at right time to the right person will not be properly ensured. So in order to overcome all these issues, so you are going to find out a better solution to improve the customer satisfaction and reduce the operational cost, as well as considering the safety concerns. So you are going to find the solution. I will give you 5 to 10 minutes. You can discuss among yourself and give me a better solution. Completed your discussion, you can start providing your solution now.
It's composed of two sensors and an MCU. The two sensors which include GPS sensor, global positioning system, which helps to measure the latitude and longitude of the vehicle, and another sensor is accelerometer sensor, which helps in measuring the sudden change of the vehicle on the basis of X, Y and Z axis. And a microinterferometer is used where we can use Arduino to integrate and read the data and process the data efficiently. And additionally, this data values are to the cloud or server where the user can read the data values and further process can be done. Additionally, here we can include a DC power supply, battery and SD card for data storage.
So how could you prevent the unauthorized access in route deviation? So you were telling about GPS.
In order to prevent the unauthorized access, we can use CAA triangle, which is a popular technique in cybersecurity. The CAA stands for confidentiality, integrity and availability. And additionally, where we can use firewalls in order to prevent the unauthorized access, and protocols such as SSL.
Vehicle tracking is this whole system works continuously by two sensors, GPS and accelerometer sensor. The GPS sensor tracking the vehicle's location, time and speed, and accelerometer detects the fast braking, tilts and collisions. These two sensors are integrated with microcontroller. It checks if any value crosses the set limits, and it sends the details to the GSM or through GSM or Wi-Fi to apps, and the route is displayed on app, and alerts are sending to the fleet manager or emergency contacts. This whole system ensures real-time tracking and driver behaviors tracking and faster emergency response.
The benefits are the real-time monitoring system using GPS and the accelerometer has various applications in the industries, including the logistics, transportation, public transit, and the customer services. The GPS in the system has various applications, like it detects the exact position of the vehicle at any time at any cost. And the accelerometer in the system actually detects the every single movements by the vehicles, like sudden brakes, sudden accelerations, and sudden turns. This is widely used in the delivery industries to monitor the trucks, and widely used in the school buses and school vans to ensure the safety of the students while they are driving. And it's also used in the police industries and for the ambulance industries for the faster responses and monitoring. So it reduces the fuel theft. So it also reduces the fuel theft by using the live monitoring of the fuel systems. So it reduces the fuel cost.
About the challenges in this idea. So first is GPS signal loss. especially in the tunnels, when the vehicle entering in the tunnels. At the same time, in the poor satellite visibility area, the signal might be lost, the data gap comes, and then accelerometer leads to noise and false reading because of the dumpy terrains and the sharp turns makes the accelerometer to false reading. And the power consumption. Continuous use of GPS and sensors may lead to the battery drains quickly. And communication. We communication through GSM and Wi-Fi may suffers in the rural, especially in rural areas. And the last, data privacy. To prevent the vehicle data by using the safety protocols is critical thing. So these are all the challenges.
The scope of this case study. So the emerging technologies like 5G, IoT, and the AI. In this real-time vehicle monitoring using GPS and accelerometer is great potential. And the AI helps in detecting the drowsy driver, detect the crashes, and sometimes it helps in decreasing the fatigue. Using Edge AI, we can take decisions like route deviations and crash reduction without requiring the cloud support. So it reduces the response time, and using 5G technologies, it increases the data speed, as we know, and through that we can enhance the video streaming of the fleets wherever they are. And there is a new technology known as vehicle V2X, vehicle to infrastructure communication, where we can communicate from our vehicle to the nearby infrastructure or nearby vehicles, which increases this project scope in a higher level. For conclusion, this project has a higher potential for scalability, security, and urban mobility.
So, thus by implementing the GPS system and various sensors integrated in the system, and also with the help of the AI technology, we can develop a better, efficient vehicle tracking system. So, thank you.